What's up, team? How's it going this morning? I am Steven from preschool. Good to see you all. Today we are going to be doing a little bit of science. We are going to be making a lava lamp. Ooh, out of a few simple things you probably at home and one thing you'll probably have to buy at a shopper's or store near you. Now, first things first, what do we need? Well, we need some oil, preferably vegetable oil. We're gonna need water. We're gonna need some food coloring, whatever color you choose, up to you. I have red over here, and I got green over here. I think we'll try a little bit of both. And last but not least, you need something called Alka-Seltzer. Now this is an antacid. Kind of helps your tummy if it hurts. But in this case, it's gonna help make our science experiment come to life. So, first things first, we get ourselves a nice jar or flask or cup, whatever you have, and we get our oil, and we're gonna generously start dumping it in. Now, you want to fill about 3/4 of the way full with oil. I'm using quite a large jar, so maybe I won't have enough oil. We'll see as it just drops in. Oof. We're getting there. Slowly filling up. Nice, yummy oil. Very unhealthy if I were to drink all of this. Okay, I think that's enough. It's not 3/4 of the way full, but that's okay. Because now we're gonna take our water. Let's push this forward, and we're gonna want to fill, well, about the other 1/4 of the way with water. So I'll do that. Pour the water on in. And you'll see some bubbles are already starting to form. As the water falls down to the bottom, you will notice that the oil is sitting right on top and the water is all falling to the bottom of the cup. So how did that happen? Well, the water is denser than the oil, which means it falls all the way to the bottom. Think of it like a little bit heavier, so it goes to the bottom while the oil stays on top. So now we have 2 separate layers to this cup. And what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna put a little bit more water in. Just because, why not? Now, our water's at the bottom, our oil is on the top. Now we're gonna get our food coloring and just drop a few droplets in. And you're gonna watch as all the food coloring now falls directly to the bottom and slowly exits the oil. Right now it's sitting on top, and then it will eventually start to fuse in with the water. And I'm gonna take another color, because why not? Get some red, a few drops in there, watch it fall to the bottom, slowly but surely, just little droplets. And they are all sitting right on top now. I'm gonna move this closer so you can see. Okay. Now, all this water is sitting on top, or sitting on the bottom. Oil's on top, food coloring is inside. Now we're gonna get our little tablet of Alka-Seltzer. Open it right up. And we're gonna see if we can make this science experiment come to life. So there's one tablet there. Now you gotta be careful that parents are the ones handling these. You don't wanna put this in our mouths, because this will make us very sick. Okay, so break it into a few pieces. And let's just drop it in and see what happens. Whoop. Whoop. I'll get another tablet. Whoop. 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 And we can already see the water is reacting to the Alka-Seltzer. Lots of things going on in this cup. Very, very cool. I'll move that even closer. Look at all those bubbles. So the water attached to the food coloring already. And that has made little blobs of colored water. And those little blobs of colored water, once the Alka-Seltzer, this little tablet, once that touched it, it had a reaction. And that made bubbles. And all these bubbles are very, very light. So they are floating on all the way to the top. And once they float up to the top, they pop! Just like bubbles do when we play with them. And once they pop, it turns back into water, and it falls right back down to the bottom, which you will now see is a whole different color. It's completely mixed into this reddish green, delicious colored water. And if you want to keep the fun going, to keep the party going, we can get a whole other tab of our Alka-Seltzer. Break it up into a few pieces, because you'll notice it has stopped now. And just drop some more back in. And let's see what happens. And you'll see instantly it is already bubbling once again. Whoosh. Very neat. Drop a couple more in here. And let's see. Look at that. Our own homemade lava lamp. If we look inside, it's really fizzing. Very magical. So you can try this at home with whatever different colors you want. And you could even try, if you want, if you fill it up higher and you put lots of these tablets in, you might even be able to get the water to overflow out of the cup and splash everywhere. But if you do want to do that, I hope you have a tray, because it's going to get messy. Okay, team. Hope you can make this at home. Have fun with it. Enjoy making your own personalized lava lamp. Hope you all have an amazing day. We'll see each other super soon. Bye for now.